What's up guys? Today I'm at the track where it's super rainy and I'm going to do the FBI training test. I'm on their website right now. It says first you have to do maximum number of sit-ups in 1 minute, timed 300-meter sprint, maximum number of continuous push-ups, timed 1.5 mile run, and then max pull-ups. Now I'm going to do all of these in the rain and see what my best time is. I'll post the points on in between each one to see how I'm doing throughout, and let's see how I do. I'm going to start by doing a 1.5 mile run. Here we go. That was refreshing. I needed that. All right guys, next up, most sit-ups you can do in 1 minute. Here we go. All right guys, that was 50. That was way less than I thought I could do. But 50's all right. Next up is as many consecutive push-ups you can do in a row. It's untimed, just do as many as you can. So here we go. $55. I was hoping to get to 100. Maybe next time. All right, this one is gonna be a 300-meter dash. So I'm gonna do 100, 100, 100, and I'll be done. Last one of the day, as many pull-ups as I can do on this super wet metal bar. Should be good. Okay, 17. That's the FBI training test in the rain. Did a lot worse than I thought I'd do, but I'm gonna blame it on the weather. Thanks for watching, guys. Woo!
Look at that back. Woo! Holy crap.
Holy fuck. That's good.